Good morning everyone and welcome to Istituto Rondani. Oggi siamo nel laboratorio di lingue e impareremo ad usare un tool che vi può essere utile anche da casa per migliorare la vostra pronuncia in lingua inglese. Let's have a look. So, let's say your teacher has assigned you with a basic text to read as homework, a text more so like this one. Mettiamo per esempio che la vostra insegnante vi abbia assegnato un testo da leggere e che vi troviate davanti a una parola di cui non conoscete la pronuncia o non siete sicuri su come pronunciarla. Che cosa fareste? Beh, una possibilità è quella di usare Google, ma non sempre la pronuncia di Google è corretta. Quindi oggi vi mostrerò un sito che vi permette di ascoltare diverse pronunce da diversi native speakers per compararla e scegliere quella che, appunto, secondo i native speakers è la pronuncia corretta. Let's have a look. This tool is quite useful because it allows you to hear different native speakers pronouncing the same word. Let's see. As an example, I'm going to show you the correct pronunciation of a word that is quite often mispronounced by Italians, and that is the word in question. Do you know the correct pronunciation for this word? I'm sure many of you think you know the correct pronunciation, but let's check. In order to check the correct pronunciation for this word, I'm going to ask you to open a tab in your browser and type www.youglish.com and press enter. So, as you see, this website looks a lot like YouTube, at least at a first glance. Well, that's because the principle behind it is quite similar. How do you look for words? You can type in the search bar the word that you're looking for. In this case, I'm typing. Here you can select your preferred pronunciation, either American English, British English, or Australian English. You press all if you do not have any preference. In this case, let's press all. You then press enter to, let's say, start with your search.
At the age of 20, send them out into...
As you see, the tool gives you thousands of videos that contain the word that you're looking for. You can see you have subtitles you can follow if you do not understand what the speaker is saying. Let's try it out to hear the right pronunciation, the correct pronunciation.
Fundamentally about making a positive difference. In a business context, I would explain it this way. Management.
Let's try with a third video.
Fear, maybe hesitation, time management.
Management, once again. So, as you can see, the native speakers' like pronunciation of this word is management. As you can see, you can, through this bar right here, you can skip the videos, press pause, play, rewind, play the video at a lower or higher speed. You can even switch off the light on the background. Let's now try with a second word, a word that is oftentimes quite tricky for us because it is pronounced differently in various parts of the word. And that is the word right here. Do you know the correct pronunciation? Let's try with American English first.
Your best T-bone. You get your best tomato from the essence.
Tomato.
Essence of tomato.
Let's try with a second video.
And what comes out has to be healthy.
And the orange said, who was that tomato I saw?
Tomato.
Same thing, tomato.
Tomato, once again. And that is the American pronunciation of the word, tomato. Let's hear the British English pronunciation.
Dried tomato paste.
Tomato.
I really like my tomato lunchbox.
Tomato.
Sea salt, tomato, garlic, and...
Tomato, once again. So, as you can hear from these videos, there are two correct pronunciations for the same word, either tomato or tomato. So next time you use the word, you know that both versions are equally accepted. If you scroll down the bar, you can see the website also suggests some other words that are pronounced in similar ways to the one that you were originally looking for, so that you can continue with your search. All right, I hope this activity was helpful. I hope to see you next year at Istituto Rondani. Thank you for following. Bye-bye.